Good morning, children. Let us discuss about the history lesson 8. In previous class, we have learned about the ancient people. They used the iron tools, and also that from the 3000 years ago and also 2500 years ago, by using of the iron tools, they have developed the agricultural system. And also today let us discuss about finding out about cities, stories, travelers, sculptures, and archaeology. You may heard of the Jatakas. These were stories that were probably composed by ordinary people and then written down and preserved by Buddhist monks. So the Jatakas, the about the small stories, and also that the before we have learned only the Brahmins, and they written the books and also the manuscript, but after developing, even the ordinary people also started to write the information, and these people also started to preserve the information in the Buddhist monks. Here is part of a Jataka story which tells us how a poor man gradually become a rich. Here you can see the poor person, how they become a rich also. We can use other kinds of the evidence to find out about life in some of the early cities. Sculptures, curved scenes depicting people's lives in towns and villages as well as in the forest also. So we can see the different kinds of the evidences. How can we know the evidences? Because of the archaeologist, we come to know the ancient uh, evidences about what the tools they used, and also the in different kinds of the instruments what they have used. By archaeologist information we come to know the history and how the people lived and what is their administration also, we come to know it. Many of these sculptures were used to decorate railings, pillars, and gateways of buildings that were visited by the people also. So even not only writing the manuscript, even from the Ashoka, and Ashoka, when he ruled the kingdom, from that time to inscriptions they have developed, writing on the pillar and writing on the rocks. Even the people those who are visiting also, they can see that information and understand it also. Here you can see how they constructed the below sculpture also. You can see how these cities and how they have constructed also. Many of the cities that developed from about 2000 years ago were capitals of the Mahajanapadas that you have learnt about the chapter 5. In chapter 5 what we have learned, Janapadas become a Mahajanapadas. Janapadas means they are the small villages. Small villages become a Mahajanapadas or a capital city from the 2500 years ago onwards. It was developed more. Janapadas become a Mahajanapadas. As we had seen, some of these cities were surrounded by massive fortification of the walls. The Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, the Mahajanapadas, how they have constructed surrounding the houses of the kings and also the kingdom, they used to construct the very big wall. The massive fortification of walls they have constructed, and they have developed the cities also. We have seen about the Lothal, the next the different see Mahagar we have seen, and also the different places we have seen and also the capital cities also they developed. The Janapadas become a Mahajanapadas. In many cities, archaeologists have found rows of pots or ceramic rings arranged one on the top of the other. In a picture, you can see the person was standing there. The rings, how they have arranged it, the one top of the another, they have kept them. These are known as the ring wells. These seem to be have been used as a toilets also. These rings, one one of the another top they have kept, and also that they have used as the toilets also. These seem to have been used as the toilets in some cases and as drains and garbage dumps. These ring wells are usually found in individual houses also. We can see in the individual houses how they constructed the toilets, and individual each and every individual house you can see these kind of the toilets by the one of the another rings they have arranged and they have constructed in the houses only. And also that we have hardly any remains of the places, markets, or of homes of the ordinary people. Perhaps some are yet to be discovered by archaeologists also. Not only in the houses, in some of the marketplaces, the remains of the other places also, in the ordinary people's houses also, these kinds of the rings, one of the another top they arranged and they have constructed the bathrooms. So children, like this way only the Janapadas become a Mahajanapadas, the villages become a, the what is the name of the lesson? Vital villages and thriving towns. So the villages become a big towns also, we can see, and also it was developed one by one step also. So let us learn more information in tomorrow's class. Thank you.